Hi friends, welcome back to my channel and a warm welcome to the new subscribers. Today I am bringing you a salad with fried fish and pickled tomatoes and onions that you are going to love. I start with a tomato because it needs to rest with the onions to pickle or to marinate. For that reason I'm cutting the tomato in brunoise or small pieces. While I have you here, I would like to encourage you to subscribe to my channel, to ask me questions in the comments, and of course to let me know what you think about this salad. Back to cooking. Julienne the onion very fine. It will marinate better. Add a little bit of the juice of a lime, half a lime, a little bit of olive oil, salt and pepper to taste. And here's a secret. Put some mint leaves torn by hand in there. That will give it a lot of freshness to the salad. Mix well. And if you like salads, check out the videos at the end. I have two more salads there. Here I have some roasted bell peppers and I'm drying them because they come in vinegar and I don't want to add more acidity to the salad. Remember, it has lime already. I put them aside until I am ready to plate the salad. Meanwhile, I'm gonna beat some eggs and reserve them for a second. Then I'm gonna mix all-purpose flour and garbanzo or chickpeas flour for the fish because the garbanzo flour doesn't absorb as much oil when frying. That's a tilapia fillet, but you can use any white fish that you want. And I'm gonna cut it into smaller pieces because it will fry or they will fry faster. Add salt and pepper to taste. Put about 5 pieces of fish in at a time in the eggs or the egg wash. Then place them in the flour mix. Coat them well and remove the excess flour. And give them one more egg bath and to the frying pan. Fry them in hot oil for about 1 minute on each side. Doesn't take long. Remove and reserve. While they cool off a little, I added 2 tablespoons of mayo, 1 teaspoon of Dijon mustard, half and half as needed to make the sauce. This is the sauce for the fish, and that depends on how thick you like the sauce. Once it is to your liking, add salt and pepper to taste, and don't forget to taste it. It should be like a ranch dressing, but better. Now, with the help of a cookie cutter, I'm gonna assemble the salad, the roasted bell peppers on the inside of the ring, and on the bottom I'm adding crumbled queso fresco or fresh cheese, followed by the fried tilapia. Don't forget the sauce. This salad is so amazingly tasty, guys. You have to try it. And I topped it with mixed lettuce leaves, and I should have left the cookie cutter in place before putting the pickled onions and tomatoes out there. It all came out together well. It tasted so good that I wanted to lick the place after I finished eating. Don't forget to check out the other salads. Chaito!